Make a great choice today with the 2019 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.